why name say our rear or our more we are them now our man and who be here say over boa who be crack and never be out the back when our why name Sadi and I would ring out two and as a woman Sadi where it is obvious that the woman can just say no to you. Every lady wants a responsible man and Obabi and you are on pair I just say again you would that. And I never be able to see you are a very responsible person, you are very hardworking, the woman knows. And I be able to see and you are lacking now. She is ready to support you. And if she's not, then she knows that she's not the kind of woman for you.
Cecilia dear Asenia or don't found beam a mouthful call a relationship more with a purpose of material things. And I say a year in your may be a woman or bearman one I say or banner now pass or then the feelings and I day called ye I say and right won't be a computer lab or those and share that any was an it for anything a year message be a branch and didn't bless and ram back. And there are two any Facebook page. So just say a ya dear a ham now or person was share now who do a drink chile. Now in some moon say a year a branch here or no I want dear that dream was a bad dream back. Now what two on a calling girlfriend in saying or propose to a year or banana or my commode on the abominative for. I will similar woman says I book I no one was a book I name more a buy 1 day. 1 year ready yet. Now 1 year ready ye na 1G a year a brand propose to money na say a brand any juma. 1 year juma no who say proposal or the other two games. Now essence a games into 1 year 1 year interest and it's here for say we a munchi will be channel about the show. Therefore, we share a year about you so name same cheer musa branty a games be pan or plain sanity ana in semi muchi muti minia a queer brony etime sandy faso say never person in same ababa
me about my job so baby I okay now won't be Jesus also
well shake a yeah she bright thing in some scene. Say in bedroom na a woman see you may be a say now share this incident auntie or dancing now all share a beer near pen your person when yanti now 1 acceptable. They can't so
I almost a man one yes I wasn't memory. They can say because the sorry I would say and a map is and a map baby then I find was a dear also pay like baby I then also airport.
Baby, a banana, or banana, and a 1 penny proposal.
And I don't know 1 penny swap, money near you. So I say, now, if you almost say, yeah, money, Tiasa, and a baby had it. And I did who says cow hand, for who says cow also play. Now, the moon says, and I didn't papa, and then on Cobani broken carcass of it was here because they change person with them in 2 years, the ministry and sign and home. Papa's or banner, why them? And I once said, Mammy, and then in Beman and Casanova Banner. Do not person be and so, almost opportunities are there for the ladies more. Inti say, oh, say, finding be more obana, and you'll be taking advantage and won't find some better than you know. And most of them are fraud boys, yeah, or let's now competition when me as only about Beman now, on the computer nature and a person or Bradia and one, I know what you want. I mean, no one said, and then I mean, nearby every woman was a kite at the way.
And now, as a woman say, Obama Shen, you may be able to say, Bema way on or by opportunities. Now, money, and you can't if fear. Who say, my or what's a best support, say, and I remember no more than say, it is your responsibility to be no banning no work or the account. And the Ebiana, a moon, Bema, and 12 mana or banana. As you see, and sad to be a years, I will hear any movie.
ye mu bi mana e free so e member to for say wo ye bibia e na betimi atena ho aka say de bi ba unye hwe kra na pe say prakope na pe say ware na wan na hwe fie kola be ma wan na eyo and na say ni fa dware benkum na benkum su dware ni fa enti wo pe say ni fa ko dware benkum san su dware be say na me dware me sa ham say me de ba ha be say masane a so what na makapem so what I say enti ana obabia everyone individually mu aware mu a mu mienu you have a life. Oh, yes. Together there's no war, but you have individual life to play to yourself too. You owe yourself that kind of responsibility as well. Inti a woman here said, "Wo be man san ka wo ye bibia e de boafia." Onso be nya wo so say enya bibia be boa wan kasa wo so betimi di apel bibi like want to be you not be dependent on a woman. Inti na oba so say wo ye oni be man wo na wo ye we. Onso say onya bibi ma wo. Also, you will not be solely dependent on the man. So I say, you have to hand because anything can happen. Because there is nothing certain in this world. It won't mean if I already share a there is nothing certain. Marriage is not even certain. Look at the divorces cases that we've been recording recently. Nothing is certain in this world. It won't mean sorry, I say, hey, my wife engineer said, no, me your man, engineer said, may have a whole year she will. Once I wonder to one. Obedience, some year she shall not be managed to show piano, banner to show dinner, or say, there's certain things I'm lacking here, so it's better for me to explore. I wasn't able to explore my youth into this is the time for me to explore. You've taken also in my opinion, you've taken away my youth, you studied my streety. Shatamichi back Shatawali and say also Shatawali taking youth away. So what I say. And see what said this is the time for her to explore. Because already I know how to explore that. Okay. And see nothing is certain in this world. And see what if the man in return Ejawochi na so prepare for na what about na when you ma pray after na be start free Abraham ma
na che say mi tie wo ka se mo a relationship ni wo feelings wo attraction ni wo but that's not all I think because
love is not the only thing someone should depend on to marry someone. There is more to marriage than love.
We will go into that, but before we go into what you just said, me person who say Bema no on worry na Bema won worry ya me tie wo kasema just say say ba wa dream po say wo kwa propose to a woman and now worry oba esan say unya kade na
mama so obe worry na say kwala be mo den na wo hwe kwala be o se ba wa na etua
se me ndi wa ko me chinka say wo ko worry ani chiro
se kwala ba school fees omo pampers o de me nka school fees omo ba fresh no omo nyama kwa board cry since o mess at school na omo ba no pampers de bia ye bobi na emoji ani de bi say o start so odi say like na omo be chiro pa nyama so what ya say we na oba ne wa betua owie so omo ankasa hospital bills omo so no betua we ni bibi ono no betua ono aso be hwe no ono aso na be mo dwane di afa wo nsu ono na betua bills be ono no betua so Sebi pants support and abortion so no a difference say who ye bibi na or to toss anyama keke out of their own will no nature na okay so tell you support but where onye bibi crass adi baby now o share the two relationship na we be say na identity na oba na aso so when him say this is not your means to marry the man and na ogusu relationship it is obvious say the lady is in hope for a better future where you're inside the baby a very year. Until all change said the baby a best step and sana any possible other step they have to take in their relationship they take it. But all share them and is an opportunity. We will say oban baby I will do so one share Ebia be be or kakra one China aqua. It is possible, sir. Ebia na on na Ebia na
be obani related to man to the extent say Ebia be one so no will be kakra obo be ton your mother obedi ja obedi ja so they say Debbie where they me fan koye propose and not just anka fan
so wo say eno na ye so my trick or me so wo say unya be na say na oh my life so also oba so nya So that because the thing is always like two sides no. And then mema and your man one a party do. Mema so what's a man say Bema ye no area. I feel I don't know polycrass the way from polycrass. I feel the son. No, I know like the wife might
say what there.
Well, after the Nyaba cousin also nasty, I better let my mom and I'll come in. So I say, so I don't know what we said the thing a ball round or baby, so now one designer one who share the other side of the ball, moving the same design. And it's a TMA members was on who say a higher than one. Or not, he said, no, and then on the wire. Bring the paper at the wire. Now, there is a bright price inside my
maybe for me, was some point and make you say, would ye and ya did be our can say a fat or dog pet and for our so chim.
Mommy, there is more to marriage than love.
Okay.
And like I said, Sue and by to say a ship. Who are like I say, only Bema and Wa, and only about Wa, a yana, and send you or more can, even if they are joking, but you listen more. Yes, me, I'm the type, I'm the listening ear and it's here more than I talk. And not send your kind of already, but Osha. And no
it means business.
Until who your banner, unim sanasa, uye, and Bema now say you are going to. What's a Bema or Bema person or worry, another man. I mean, give one of the million questions for Jimmy Flo, but they can't. Aspects where the Bema, the person of worry, the person of worry, another man. Where or Baba Bema, a friend is saying, family hall, or no other or that way, I put to live authority and
two masters.
Normally, everyone has the expectation. But like I said, love does not go with conditions, but if you look deeper, love, every love goes with conditions. It has a condition. It's me, I always ask you, you are in love. What is the reason why you love me? Remember, I said it is not right. You know, when you talk to me like that, I feel like you are dumb. You don't know what you are talking about. You should know the reason why you love the person. Okay. So what I say? So now, I don't call mistake be by the public. There are certain things that you are changing that is also affecting this relationship. So I think that when you pay attention to that aspect and you work on it, it is going to perhaps spice up the relationship again. Sure. Perhaps this is the things that you're doing that are affecting your relationship. No? But because it's love without condition, it's a colonial man. And then JHS for now, because I'm going to now, make I say, me basa asem no so where make us love, there is no love without a condition. Say, oh, yeah, bibi, na say, if you are in a relationship with someone, now you have no point in the relationship, but every now and then you wouldn't find them miss. And nothing I had the BR we have people that they are with this particular person, but they see another person and they end up moving to that person because they realize that there is something that they've missed to find out. Say, this is the things that I was actually expecting or looking for, but I failed to look at it. So what I say, and I was just looking at the mere things that were before my eyes. I just moved to it. But if they were able to pay attention to the things that they really want in a relationship, and Kebab will say, this is the relationship I don't want. This is the relationship that I want. So what I say, and so these are the things that I think that if you are going into a relationship, you should be paying attention to. There is more to relationship than the word love. The way the person relates with you, communication is a key. The way the person relates with you, the way the person even deciphers certain things. Also, as you move in different places now, mobile bomb together. If the person does not know how to decipher certain characters now, or that person that, or every time they're in there, or person say say or person or he thinks deeper into things and come to understand you. Now or conclude quickly, you know. It is also a deterrent to the relationship.
Let's look at this. We'll share my last question. We'll share those incidents. It's here. Would be the question. Don't you think they lack communication? Because before I go to an amount say who propose it to the woman, I think you should know that this woman will go to the moon with you. And two women say lacking a communication, and yet communication will be effective. Until the man leading to this kind of embarrassment.
I wouldn't say they lack communication.
Okay.
It is an intent on the side of the guy. He knows what he's doing, and I think that he was at a certain point of his life, probably like I made in my earlier submission, possibly he was perhaps scared. If he doesn't take that step, will be a person, someone who perhaps has a work, someone who has something to live for, can come for the lady into a idea, or it's just a main intent. No, make us say it is lack of communication.
The reason why I came up with that in the say, one say when you will beat it, na say mo kasa ko deep.
You come to understand the way
exactly. But we have to be ignorant
on the
mind of the lady. That's why I came up with this.
But ma'am, why you say our real more, we are them now power more, and who may hear say, Oba who be crack, and Yama be out the back when you saw why names are you? And I would ring out the two and as a woman inside where it is obvious that the woman can just say no to you. You understand?
Okay.
And then if you are having a work, it's a different thing altogether. But this is the case indeed, or she loves you, but you are lacking. So you shouldn't expect anyway. Because the expectation always brings about. So he had a high expectation.
So the lady too was right, denying.
Oh yes.
Okay. My person, you do there. In the relationship, I said, well, if I final words to you, if it will be a woman, too much viewers, Fatuja for
Mecca and say to the guys out there, I always say, every lady wants a responsible man. Obabi and you are on pair, I just say, and I never be able to see you are a very responsible person, you are very hardworking, the woman knows, and I be able to see and you are lacking now. She is ready to support you. And if she's not, then she knows that she's not the kind of woman for you. Nemeka say every lady likes a responsible person. If you're a guy, be responsible and get something doing for yourself before you rush up to this marriage proposal. And like I said in my earlier statement, a friend said, love is not the only things that lead to marriage. Look at the other aspects as well. The way the person is, how the person lives, how the person reacts to anger, how the person relates to you, how the person treats you. All of these are things that you have to look at, how the person understands you. And that is my most important, understanding, defense, how the person treats you, and love. Those are the things, even communication, those are the things that I look for in a man. So, and not just me, I think it should be the two sides too. So, these are the things that you have to look at. And I know you have your own personal ones too. So you add it up, look for those things, make sure that you have those things before you move in with that person. Because if you don't and you end up with that person, this is what will bring up this breakup and this divorce and here and there. Later, one way or the other, you realize that the things that interest you most, you are not getting it. And then at the end of the day, you end up quitting with the relationship.
Yeah, beating up with surprises. Many Ekia Bruni, many Abakia Bruni, and a tree and one sister was when I would give Nakaka with the back on and say, hey, young ladies, don't go in for a lazy man. Lazy man, you will suffer. Hey, would dachi, a bemme. With purpose in life, now the lazy man, don't even marry, don't go there because we need Jida. And you don't have the due or don't know basically you or don't engineer because you take around to me quiet our very honey and be very cry hard you. Lazy man, run away for your life because Bible said a man have to sweat, to take care of himself and the family. And if the man is not sure, that means his purpose can't come to pass. And with the mopesi, I can see a remoa naturally say, Yenya enfa NC, and so emre enya aye pay. A wunya ba Mexican and think it's a someone. Now, most of my drink, Munjanto, a comment section or if I'm a subscribe to my jeans, so 1 year, yes, and a bear too much there. ye won pa bebre e de ma ye de tu mo na nso wetumi aka ho adwen se na usi pen like and share promote channel we that's an ye person issue makwa